Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to remove and add new background in Capcut. So first thing that you will do guys is open up your Capcut, and from here go for the media on the top left corner and go for the import and just simply select import and just simply select the background picture that you have or video and the subject that you want. Now, as you can see, I have a sample over here. So first I'm gonna add a picture. So here on this picture, as you can see, it has a white background. So guys, in order for me to remove that, you could just simply go for the video over here on the top right and go for the cut out, and you will have here chroma key and just simply select color picker and just simply select the color that you want to remove. And from here, you could just simply adjust the strength of the background remover, and you could also add the shadow as well. So guys, as of now, we cannot see anything because we don't have a background yet. So in order for you to add a new background, just simply click and drag your background on the editor. And now, as you can see, we have the picture over here, and you can just simply drag it at the top, and you should be able to remove and add new background in CapCut. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, just simply comment down below, and thanks for watching.